Nice try on your page numbers, but let me show you exactly what you need to do to fix it and then resubmit so you can get full points. So we're going to go to Insert and go to Page Number, and we'll put it at the top of the page, and we'll just pick plain number 3. And then I'll press the space bar and type global warming. Your page number, I should have showed you before I began, had global warming 3, and then you had global warming 3. You just put global warming 3 in it. It said 3, 3, 3, 3, and we needed to say 3, 4, 5, and so forth. So the next thing that we have to do is, and I'm going to move this over here so you can see, I'm going to click page number, format the page number, and have it start at 3. So now it will say page 3, and if you scroll down it will automatically change it to page 4.